Ready to master email marketing? Let's find out how to build a powerful email list and boost your revenue effortlessly. Hey there, marketing enthusiasts. Now you might be thinking, every day everyone says to do email marketing, but nobody explains how to do it properly. Well, don't worry. Today, I'm here to teach you exactly how to master email marketing, step by step. Let's start with the first step in finding potential email contacts. Here's a neat trick. Go to Google and type this. Prompt in the search bar. Site Instagram.com industry, New York, gmail.com. Replace industry with your target industry, and New York with your target location. If you want to pull data from Facebook, just change the site to facebook.com. For example, if you want to target the fashion industry in New York, you'll type site Instagram, Confashion New York, gmail.com. Once you have your search results, you'll see a list of Instagram profiles and their email addresses. Copy all this data and paste it into ChatGPT with this prompt. Format the below data into a table and create a column for count. First name, last name, company website, Instagram link, email. Here are some rules. Don't add entries that don't have a first name or email. Don't repeat entries. Use the first occurrence. I also give this prompt in my video description, so don't worry, I am always ready to help you. Now ChatGPT will format the data into a neat table for you. Easy, right? But now you're probably wondering, how can I send these emails? This is where a tool like Sendinblue comes in handy. Sendinblue allows you to send up to 300 emails per day for free, and you can upgrade your plan according to your needs. There are other tools available too, but Sendinblue is a great place to start. With Sendinblue, you can import your email list, create stunning email campaigns, and track your results to optimize your strategy. So there you have it, a simple and effective way to do email marketing. Start finding those email addresses, format your list, and use Sendinblue to send out your campaigns. Now there is a bonus gift for you, if don't know how to write quality emails that bring sales. So just comment on this video. I will make a fantastic video for you. If you found this video helpful, don't forget to like, subscribe, and hit the bell icon for more tips on mastering digital marketing. See you next time. Subscribe for more marketing tips.